Auvik Network Monitoring Tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Auvik Network Monitoring. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Auvik, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon signing up. But before that, if you don't know what is Auvik, it is a cloud-based IT management platform in which the company emerged from the need to simplify the network management for IT professionals who are often overwhelmed by the complexities of integrating legacy equipment with modern systems. And Auvik addresses these challenges by providing user-friendly interface that allows IT teams and managed service providers to proactively manage their networks with enhanced visibility and automation. And Auvik's features include automated network mapping, real-time monitoring, and customizable alerts which streamline operations and reduce downtime. And now to create an account on Auvik, you could also click the link in the description, or alternatively just click the Start Free Trial button on the top right corner. And after that, from here, just simply enter here your business email address. And upon clicking the Continue button, the next thing that you need to do is you simply enter here your name and answer the question, where do you want to keep your data? And also enter here the desired URL, and even generate your own password in here. So just simply enter here at least one lowercase letter, one special character, and even one uppercase letter, and 16 characters minimum. And now after generating your own password and filling out all of the required information in here, just proceed by clicking the next button below to proceed to the next step, or this continue button right here. And after that, from here, just simply enter your phone number, and proceed by clicking Start Free Trial button in here. Then you will now be able to be directed on this page, where it will show you in here how you can set up in 5 easy steps. So from here, you can simply enter here or fill out all of the required information on this step, such as your site name, your site URL. But if you want to skip this part, you can click this Exit Guide button right here. And upon clicking on it, we'll automatically be directed on this dashboard of auvik.com, where it will show you on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating with here: navigation, all sites, inventory, audit, and many more. But from here on the left side panel, you could also add your organizational logo by clicking this Auvik logo, and from here it will show you your organization and team style on the right side panel. So for example, under this organization name, I'm going to enter here and customize this one. For instance, I'm going to enter here HG.org. Then below you could also navigate to change the desired URL if you want to, and even customize the time zone in here. While on the right side panel, you can simply upload your organizational logo from your computer files and even customize the map background, sidebar text color, and many more. And proceed by clicking the Save button to save the changes. Now going back on the page on the left side panel, you could also navigate some other options. But as you can see, it is divided into 3 different major options with here navigation. And if you scroll down, it will show us admin and support option in here. So you can start navigating it one by one. For instance, under this navigation option, under this all sites, it is designed to enhance user experience to streamline the management of network assets. So from here, you will be able to see all of the list of your site and the number of devices connected on it. So let's say from here, we're going to add a new site. So kindly click this Add Site button right here. And in this pop-up window, just fill out all of this required information such as relationship type, organizational name, desired URL, address, and many more. Then just click the next button to proceed. Now moving on the left side panel, we could also navigate this dashboard, in which it serves as a centralized interface for monitoring and managing network assets, providing users with essential insights into network performance and health. Now moving on to this audit log option, it serves as a crucial purpose in network management by providing a comprehensive record of all actions taken within Auvik platform. While the other one, which is this Auvik alert option, it is designed to enhance network management by providing customizable notifications that informs users about significant changes or issues within their network environment. While under this hardware lifecycle, it will help you to assist organization in managing the network hardware from acquisition through to disposal. While under this traffic insights, it is a powerful feature designed to enhance visibility into network traffic, enabling IT professionals to analyze and manage data flows effectively. Moving on to this syslog option, it is designed to centralize and streamline the management of log data from various network devices. Now we can now proceed under this admin section by clicking the discovery, in which this feature is vital since it automates the identification and documentation of all devices within the network, in which it provides a comprehensive visibility into network assets, ensuring that IT teams can effectively monitor and manage their infrastructure. Moving on, aside from that, we'd also navigate here these integrations by clicking on it. We can start integrating some other application by clicking this add integration. We have here to integrate Autotask, ConnectWise, ServiceNow, Slack, and many more. Well, by clicking this manage alert, you could also manage alert in here, or you could also add one if you want to. To create a new one, just click this add alert button in here and choose the type of alert that you want to create. Now, aside from that, on the left side panel, we could also navigate create here or choose this manage users, in which you will be able to see the list of users, number of invitations, and in each users in here, you'll be able to see their corresponding roles on this platform. And now by clicking the shared Auvik collectors, from here you could also start optimizing the network management by allowing multiple sites to utilize single collector installed in a central location, such as a data center. Now moving on to the settings option, from here you could also navigate some other options such as the organizational and team style. And now let's proceed to this support section. From here you could also start navigating this one, which is designed to provide users with comprehensive assistance and resources to enhance their experience with Auvik platform. So we have here knowledge base and also resource center. But moving on, we could also navigate some other options under this profile option right here. From here we can start customizing our name, last name, phone number, email, and even adjust our security by using this two-factor authentication, or even changing your password on the right side panel in here. And you can do all of that by navigating your profile option in here. And below it will show you the API key that you can generate and also your domain prefix in here. But now to start installing the application of Auvik on your Windows, you can click the shared Auvik collectors right here. And below just click this add share Auvik collector button in here. And upon clicking on it, will automatically be directed or show us a pop-up window in here where we can choose install collector on Windows advice, which take up to 10 minutes. And by clicking on it, it will show us in here the details. We have here the Windows installer and install from command line. But in those options, I'm going to choose to install or download Windows installer in here. And upon clicking on it, you'll be able to see here that it is now automatically downloaded. So all you need to do is wait for it to be fully downloaded and start installing the application of Auvik in here. Or alternatively, below you could also set up collector as virtual appliance on VMware in here by following this step for a detailed installation instruction in here. Or alternatively, you could also create a new virtual or physical machine if you want to, and even set up a collector using a Docker image in here. And now let's say you've now successfully installed the application of Auvik on your Windows. All you need to do is simply install it and open it in here. And after that, you will be able to see here how you can start connecting your Auvik account to this application. So just simply enter here your email address, your API key, your domain in here, or your prefix, and many more. So to do that, kindly go to your profile option, our button in here on the left side panel, and below just simply copy this domain prefix and also generate your API key by clicking the generate, and it will show in here that you can simply copy this generate API key. Then just simply paste it and in this pop-up window, and after filling out all of the required information, you'll now be able to use this application of Auvik to your Windows. So overall, that is just basically how you can use Auvik network monitoring. Thank you.